Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome to Banking Help SA. This is how to redeem Capitec Cash Send voucher using the app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the Capitec app and signing in to your account. Once that's done, tap on Transact. From here, scroll down until you see the Send Cash option, then tap on it. Now you'll land on the Send Cash screen. Scroll to the bottom and press Continue. From here, tap on Unredeemed Vouchers. This will show you any vouchers that have not been used yet. If there are no vouchers, you'll see a message saying that you have no unredeemed transactions. If you do have a voucher, go ahead and select it. Now you'll see the voucher details along with the reference number. To redeem the money, you'll need the reference number and the required details for the specific voucher. At this point, it is important to know that different types of vouchers are redeemed in different ways. For example, Cash Send vouchers use a reference number and a 4-digit secret code, while other vouchers, like electricity, may require a PIN or a meter number instead. Once that's done, follow the prompts to complete the redemption. Depending on the voucher type, you may need to collect the cash at a Capitec ATM or go to a participating store like ShopRite, Checkers, Pick n Pay, or Ackermans to complete the redemption. And that is it. That's how to redeem Capitec Cash Send voucher using the app. If this video helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Goodbye.